Hi everyone, I am going to push my luck again and I'm going to try to draw on here with and hopefully I don't run out of I'm gonna do that. Don't run out of sound. I'm pushing my luck here. I'm gonna try to do another neurographic that maybe I will add some jelly roll to, but I think I'm going to actually draw it first with the pen. Let's see, do I want a big fat one? Do I want a thin one? Let's go with this one. I'm going to do this pen, number 6, Banyo. I just dabbled some watercolors on here. I like these colors together. They look cool. And I'm just going to outline spots. We're going to go this direction. It's going to come off the page here. Let's go all the way around the edge. Just going to follow wherever this paint went. Start with the outside. Something like that. And then let's do these splodges, these dark ones. Kind of goes like that. Follow that orange, follow this red, follow that orange. Why am I doing these? I don't know, just because, you know, I don't have to think really hard about them. They were fun to make the watercolor part. I just really soaked my watercolor paper and just blobbed colors down and just let them do what they're going to do. So I don't have really any control over what kind of shape I ended up with, which is very interesting and cool. And it just kind of takes you out of having to think. Because sometimes thinking is just more than you can handle. And to be honest, this has been a really rough few weeks. And I just don't want to think. I don't want to plan. Just being absolutely honest with you. And so, this is what I'm doing. I think in here. And I think this yellow pink division needs something. Any other divisions that really stand out? If I look up into the camera, I see them more. Yes, right here. And here. And along here. Anything else that really stands out that I have to have as separate right here? And right here. Okay. Okay, let's start rounding things over. There's not a lot of places that really need it. I don't think. Maybe. Maybe there are a few. Take it back. There are a few. I really like that purple one I did. Purple and blue one. So I'm thinking I'm going to come back with the Jelly Roll pens and do something with that. What? I don't really know. But I'm going to round these out in black first. Just see where that takes me. See if I feel like it's done or if it decides it wants more. This one feels very 1970s to me, which is also very cool. This watercolor paper is pulling up this ink in a different way than the Jelly Rolls did. So it feels different in under my hand. Let's do a question. Did we do these? These are starting to sound so familiar. If you could wear only one color besides white or black for the rest of your life, what would you wear? Blues. I think blues is mostly what I have in my closet. If you had to eat in only one restaurant for the rest of your life, which would you choose? Ugh. That's a terrible question. That means that I'd have to choose a restaurant that does breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Those are different things. Who does a good breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Trying to think. Because we go to different places for different things. My favorite breakfast restaurant is not going to be my favorite lunch or dinner restaurant. That's just not right. What do you guys think? Do you guys have some place that you like for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? I guess I could pick my local coffee shop. Because if that was the only place we ever went out, they would get to know me pretty well. And I think they'd be pretty good at, you know, figuring out what I like to eat, how I like it prepared. They do things like having specials, you know, a Monday special, a Tuesday special, so forth and so on. So, you know, there'd be maybe a variety of things to eat. Of course, that would mean I'd never get to eat pizza out again, because they don't do pizza. Trying to think, do they ever even do hamburgers? I don't think so. I think the closest, well, maybe. I don't know. I don't eat there for a meal other than breakfast. I don't know. What do you guys think? Where would you want to eat all your meals and never go to another restaurant again? Or would you just choose some sort of fancy, expensive place? Okay. That pretty much does that part. I think I want to add some jelly roll to it. We're going to go with this one and this one. I don't know what the difference is. One's definitely a more highlightery. We'll start with the highlightery one. Whoa. Well, that creates quite the color, doesn't it? Let's put this color on this side of whatever shape I decide to do. That's very bright. Try to get my hand out of the area here. That and this shape here, I think. Okay, now do I want to do the other color? Let's go for it. Why not? I'll put this one in the oranges. Oh yeah, that's the red. Next question. What's the next question? If you had to be represented by an object in your home, what would you choose? The big painting on the wall in my bedroom. It is hand painted by me, requested by my husband, so it's sort of a commission piece, I suppose. He saw a piece of art in a catalog that he really liked, and he wanted me to kind of use that as inspiration. I didn't replicate it per se, but I used the same sort of style, and came out really good. I really like it, and it's huge. It's like 3 foot by 5 foot or something. It's really big canvas. Took me months. And if that represented me, I would be overjoyed to have that as this is Dawn. I think it's done. I don't know which way it's living. I feel like it wants to live that way. That way. This way. I think it wants to live that way. That's the direction it's going to live. And you know what? I'm going to sign it. Sign it in the red. There we go. My orange and pink, red Neurographic for today. I think that came out cool. You guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video, whenever that will be. And peace out, everybody. This feels very funkadelic and 70s. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.